sorry guys, not having any my visual aids or anything on my glasses. My eyes are turning in, so it is what it is. But when I get home and start wearing my glasses again, getting acclimated to use the low vision I have, then hopefully my eyes won't be turning in. So I do apologize if that makes you uncomfortable. I was gonna wear sunglasses, but you know what? This is part of me. But day 4 is going awesome. This week has gone by so fast. We got our harness finished, fitted to our dog, taking more walks, calling traffic, learning more commands. We haven't really started the obedience part of it, but Roxy, I call her my rock star. I'm in love. I cannot believe the level of independence I'm going to have because of this. I'm so excited. This is like I thought orientation and mobility was an awesome experience. This is right up here by the same facility, of course, Pala Dogs. So I'm loving it. Let's go on, and hopefully next week will be just as good. Bye. Hi guys, it's Friday, yay, day 5. We're doing a lot of work now, and we're having a couple of small tests in between before our big ADA test. So I think I'm going to stop recording because I just want to focus on what I'm doing. Obviously, you see I'm not recording any of the other students because I'm respecting their privacy. Not everybody loves YouTube. And we just are here to do and learn something. So I just want to let you guys know that it's a lot of hard work. I'm keeping my positive mojo and energy about me. And just, if you believe in this, please give me any prayers so that way I am successful in this journey over the month, and that I get my ADA certification. If I do an end clip, if I don't, this will be the end, but if I do, it'll be the day that I took my final test, and I'll show you my ADA certification. So God, please, I really hope this happens for me. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So guys, here she is, the beautiful Roxy, look, girl. Here she is. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? I love you. Doggy kisses. There's Roxy, love of my life. Bye, guys.